king is saying. What does he say? Ete klanta manasaha punaha navikritaha sma. What is saying? See, in the previous one, he said how king will take care of the people like a tree and all these things he said. So, king is saying now, klanta manas, yeah, I was quite depressed. I mean, like I was quite upset because in this time also I have to go for the people. But these kind of words, ete, these kind of words, they have refreshed, navikritaha, they have made me refreshed actually. See, always when you are going to give some motivational thoughts to the people, they will be, they will be refreshed and they will be able to do the work little more efficiently. That's the reason always we have to be, always we have to be refreshed and keep on doing the works. That's what iti parikramati. So like that he said, and he takes a round on the stage. Then pratihari. Pratihari is dwarapalaka, the security. What he is saying? Abhinava sammarjana sashrikaha sannihita homa dhenuhu agni sharanalindaha arohatu devaha. See what he is saying? Abhinava sammarjana sashrikaha means sammarjana, which means washed properly. Sammarjana is washed properly. Sashrikaha. Shri is a Shri is a thing. Shri is a word for telling something is good. Okay, when something Shubha, some good thing is happening, for that the word Shri is used. Abhinava means just now. Abhinava, newly. Just now what they have done, this place is cleared up, is cleaned. They have washed it properly. Okay, and moreover, sannihita homa dhenuhu. Sannihita homa dhenuhu means what? For it's a Agnishala, Yagashala, Agnishala, whatever. So whenever these people, they are going to do some fire, not sacrifices, some fireworks like doing Homa, Havana, all these things, they will go to that Agnishala and they will do. There will be a cow, that cow's milk will be used for Havana only, not for other purpose. So that dhenu, that cow is called Homa dhenu. Sannihita Homa dhenu is, this Homa dhenu is ready, Sannihitam. That cow is ready to give the milk. Agni Sharanalindaha. Agni Sharanalindaha means so beautifully owning to its being newly cleansed. So because of that good atmosphere, everywhere you can see a clean place you are seeing. That Homa dhenu is also clean, it is staying there. They have kept that cow there over there near Yajnashala, and a good pleasant atmosphere is there. Okay, that's what he is explaining. So Arohatu Devaha means, so you please go and get on the place or that seat. That's what he is saying. Who? Pratihari, Dwarapalaka. Then Raja, king, Aruhya, he goes and stands over it. And then Parijanam Savalambi Tishtati. Parijanam Savalambi means, only king cannot welcome a guest. With king, some other people also will be standing there and they will be waiting for the guests or guests' entry. Then Vetravati Kimuddishya Bhagavata Kashyapena Matsakasham Rushayah Preshitaha Syuhu. Yes, king is standing there and he is asking this security officer only, Vetravati, the question is this one: for what purpose? Uddishya, purpose. For what purpose Kanva or Kashyapa has sent some people towards me, to me? What is he required? He wants something, or he is facing some problem? I don't know. What? For what purpose? Matsakasham, to me. Okay. Preshitaha, sent. Preshitaha syuhu means sent. How? The sentence meaning is, for what purpose these people are sent by Kanva, sage Kanva. Then Pratihari is saying, Sucharita Nandina Rishayaha, Nandinaha actually, Sucharita Nandinaha Rishayaha Devam Sabhajayitum Agataha iti tarkayami. So then he is saying, yeah, I don't know the answer for that, just generally I don't know for what purpose they had come. They have come to meet you. But the thing, now those sages are, I think they are very near. So definitely they are coming in now. Sucharita Nandinaha, good character rishis. They are, Sucharita means good character. That kind of rishis, sages. they are coming. Agataha, I think they are very near. Iti tarkayami. Tataha pravishanti Gautami sahitaha Shakuntalam puraskritya munayah. Yeah, at that time only these rishis, Sharadvata, Shangarava and this Gautami with Shakuntala, all of them, they will enter pravishanti. Purascha esham Kanchuki Purohitascha. With them, this Kanchuki, the officer of the place, I mean of the palace, and Purohita, the priest, all of them, they will enter together. Then Kanchuki, that officer, is saying, Itaha, Itaha, yeah, come in this way. In this way, please come. In this way. So, major point from this part is Klanta Manasaha, upset minded. Parikramati, take rounds. Matsakasham, to me. Abhinava Sammarjana Sashrika, as I said, newly washed and cleaned. A place, I mean, like a place is cleaned newly, just now it is cleaned. That kind of place. Sannihita Homadhenu, Homadhenu, a cow which is only for the Homa purpose, that cow is ready now. Okay. Agnisharanalindaha. Agnisharanalindaha means, see, if you are going to perform a Homa, the place is ready. That kind of complete pleasant atmosphere is there. That's what Agnisharanalindaha. Okay. Next point. Sharngarava is saying, one of the sages, he is saying now to the other one, Sharadvata, what he is saying? The shloka, we'll see the shloka later. I mean, we'll finish the shloka now. Sharngarava is saying, Sharadvata, what is he saying? Mahabhagaha asau narapatihi abhinna sthitihi varnanam apakrishtaha api kaschit apatham na bhajate kamam tathapi shashvat parichita viviktena manasa idam janakirnam Huta Vaha Paritam Graham Ivamanye. What is saying Sharngarava? He is saying to Sharadvata, does any one of the classes, even though occupying a lowly station in life, take to or follow the wrong path, still with my mind long accustomed to solitude? I look upon this house thronged with men as one encircled by the flames of fire, because it is Yajnashala, right? That's the reason he is saying this to who? The other fellow member, Sharadvata. That's the meaning. So, and what next? What he replies? Sharadvata. And Sharadvata now replying, Jane, yes, I know. Bhavan Purapraveshad Itham Bhutaha Samruttaha. I am seeing, I am observing you also. Once you have entered the city, or entered this kingdom, I mean that place, Hastinavati, that city, you have become like this. Then Shakuntala is saying, Nimittam Suchayitva. She just, gesturing something. Okay? What gesturing? Aho, Kim me Vametran Nayanam Vispurati. My God. Why? My right eye is Vispurati. That, what is that? Muscle jumping they call, right? That one. Sometimes you also would have felt it. Somewhere left or right eye on top of that, somewhere near the eyebrow, somewhere it will be like blinking kind of thing. Okay, that muscle jumping. So Vama means left, Vametara, the other than left means what? Right. So right Nayana, right eye is Vispurati, it's moving up and down. What is this? Some gesture, is that so? I don't know. That's what Shakuntala. Then Gautami is replying, Jate Pratihatam Amangalam. Some Ashubha is going to happen, I think. See, this should not happen, right? I hope that should not happen. I hope no evil thing should happen. Sukhanite Bhartar Kula Devata Vitarantu. Bharta is husband. Your husband's Kula Devatas, let them give you all kind of sukha, all kind of wealth, let them give you. That's what Gautami is saying. Iti Parikramati, by saying like that, they are all telling their dialogues and taking rounds on the stage. Now Purohitaha. Now that priest is saying, Rajanam Nirdishya. He shows the king, Nirdishya, Rajanam Nirdishya. He shows the king and said, Bhoho tapasvinaha asau atra bhavan varnashramanam rakshita prageva muktasanaha vaha pratipalayati pashyata enam see him in that way. What he is saying? Rajanam Nirdishya. He shows the king. Okay, and he says, O sages, Bhoho tapasvina, O sages, what is this? There is the protector of the, of all Varnashrama. Varnashrama doesn't mean caste, okay? Varnashrama is Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, which is there in Bhagavad Gita, which our Swami also says always. That Varnashrama, one who protects this Varnashrama so properly, and then already he is there. Muktasana means he is there on the throne, or he is there on his seat. So he is ruling us, he is ruling this kingdom. So please see him, please look at him. Like that, priest, the Purohita, priest, the priest is saying. So major points: Vispurati means moving. Pratihatam, Pratihata Mangalam. Mangalam, Pratihatam means what? Mangala, the Shubha thing has gone or what? That thinking is, that is what Pratihata Mangalam. Vitarantu, let them, Vitarantu actual meaning is distribution, but here, God cannot distribute something for everyone like fruits, right? So it's Vitarantu means let the gods give all the wealth or all sukha for you in your husband's house. Like that Gautami said, right? Muktasanaha. Muktasanaha means Simhasana, throne, where a king can sit in a proper way. These are all the major points from this part. Sharngarava is saying, Bho Mahabrahmana, Kamametat Abhinandaniyam Kutaha. See, first you need to know what happened now. See, what happened here. See, they have asked now. Here is the king, so you can please see him. Now you are the messengers of Kandva Ashrama, right? Or Kandva's messengers you are. You can talk to him now. That's what priest will tell now. After that, Sharngarava is telling to priest, Bho Mahabrahmana, Kamametad Abhinandaniyam. First of all, we have to appreciate. All of you, including the king or priest, everyone. We have to appreciate you. Why? Kutaha? Because the shloka says, Taravaha Phalagamaihi Namraha Bhavanti. Taravaha, trees you have seen. You see, 2 times you will see, you will see the tree daily, but see, majorly you need to observe 2 times. Now, there are some mango trees, okay? If so many mangoes are there on the tree, then what will happen? The branches they will come down. If there are no mangoes, they will be up. So, Phalagamaihi Taravaha Namraha Bhavanti. If fruits are there, then Taravaha, trees will become very humble. They will come down to earth. Then Ghanaha Navambubhihi Dura Vilambinaha Bhavanti. Ghanaha means clouds. Nava Ambubihi. Ambu is water. Nava means new water. New water is, if new water is stored in the cloud, then they cannot run fast. Dura Vilambinaha. They cannot run fast. So what will happen? They will move slowly and they will water there only, right? Rain will start over there. That is how Ganaha, clouds will do. And the same way, Sat Purushaha Samruddhibihi Anuddhataha Bhavanti. Good people, if good people are having wealth, Samruddhi, if good people are having wealth, they won't become arrogant. They cannot show that arrogance. Uddhata is arrogant. Anuddhata means non-arrogant. So Satpurushaha, if good people are having that wealth, then they won't be having any ego or they won't be arrogant. So Paropakarinam Eshaha Swabhavaha Eva, and this is the behavior, this is the character. Swabhava is character or behavior. This is the behavior or this is the character of Paropakaris. Paropakara means what? Paropakara is some people or some animals who are always there to help others. There are Paropakaris, no? They will feel for others. So those kind of people. So these are all the qualities of Paropakaris, not everyone's quality. That's what the sage Sharngarava has said. Now Pratihari, he is saying, Deva Prasanna Mukhavarnaha Drishyante. I am seeing these tapasvins are having very bright face. Prasanna Varna, Mukhavarnaha. See, if there is some irritating mindset or some upset or depressed, then we can see all the emotions on the face, right? So prasanna means pleasant thing. So calmly, smiley face, that is what prasanna mukhavarna. So these tapasvins are looking like prasanna varna. The brightness we can see. Janami Vishrabdhakaryaha Rishayah. I know, then definitely they are here for a good work, for a good cause they are here. Then Raja is saying Shakuntalam Drishtva. He sees Athatra Bhavati. Oh my God, who is this girl over here? That's what he is thinking now. What he thinks? He thinks Pandupatrana Madhye Kisalayam Iva Tapodhananam Madhye Avagunthanavati Na Ati Parisputa Sharira Lavanya Kasvit. Who should this girl be? Kasvit. Who should be this girl? Who is this girl? Why? Because, because this girl, Avagunthana means girls, they are wearing, they will be wearing one small veil in front of the face, right? They should not show their face to other people. Married girls, they are not going to show the faces to the gents. Okay? So, Avagunthana, a small veil was there in front of her face. And she is covered with the clothes. So, what is Na Ati Parisputa Sharira Lavanya? King is thinking now, even if I am not able to see this girl properly, I can understand she is having a good personality and she is wearing that not mask exactly, it's a small veil. Even if she is wearing the veil, little bit I can understand her face, how she is. But how come this girl is there midst of these tapaswins, in the middle of this tapasvis group? How come this girl is there? That's what king is thinking. And what is the example? What's the simile he is giving? Panduputrana madhye kisalayam iva. Pandupatrana madhye. White patra, white leaves. Okay, Pandu is white leaves. So white leaves are there, midst of white leaves. One kisalaya means, you have seen flowers, right? See, in the flowers, so many petals will be there. Middle of the flower, what will be there? The sprout. See, that sprout looks completely different than the petals, right? Almost in all flowers. The same way, he is comparing those tapodhanas, those tapasvis to the petals, and he is comparing Shakuntala to that sprout of the flower. That's how he is separating tapasvis and Shakuntala, petals and the sprout. That's what he is thinking now. Okay. Then Pratihari, he is saying again, Deva darshaniya punaha asyaha akritihi lakshyate. Not only that much, O king, once we feel to see that girl again. That kind of beauty she got. That kind of beauty this girl got. That's what this Pratihari is saying. We'll see next what happened. Yeah, from these major words are like Abhinandaniyam, yes, appreciate, we have to appreciate. Prasanna Mukharna, bright faces. Vishrabdha Karya, for a good work, good cause. Akritihi. Akritihi actual meaning is figure, structure, you can tell. Then next, king is saying, Bhavatu Anirvarnaniyam Parakalatram. Anirvarnaniyam Parakalatram. We should not praise or we should not see others' wife. Kalatram, someone else's wife. We should not see some other lady. We should not stare at the girls. It is not a good thing. It's not a proper behavior. We should not do that thing. So, and we should not express our feelings, or we should not have any bad feeling about other girls. That's what the king is saying. And we should not explain that beauty also. Then Shakuntala is saying, she is placing one of her hand near her leg, and she is saying Atmagatam, herself inside. She is saying Hridaya kimevam vepase Aryaputrasya bhavam avadharya dhiram tavad bhava. What does she say? What does she say? Why do you so tremble, my heart? Tremble. See, my heart is like, vepase means like kampana. What do you say for that? shaking in that way. Heart cannot shake but tremble. Oh my God, what, it might happen, something might happen, something might happen, I don't know what's going to happen. In that tension, heart will be beating up speed, that is what tremble. Okay, why my heart is trembling? Why do you so tremble my heart? So Aryaputrasya bhavam avadharya dhiram tavat bhava. She is here Aryaputra means Dushyanta, is referring to Dushyanta. Consider the love of my Lord, that Aryaputra, consider his love towards me, and you have to be firm, you have to be stable, you should not have this kind of mental things, you should not move away. Okay, so you have to be firm. That's what Shakuntala is saying. Now Purohitaha, Puraha Gatva, he moves little front and he says, Ete vidhivadarchitaha tapasvinaha. Yeah, what king has told Purohita? King has told him, king has requested the Purohita to take care of the guests until he comes or until he sees them. So that's what vidhivat. I have taken care of these tapasvins as Vidhi says, like how we have to do, like Shruti, what Veda says, according to that we have done everything. Kaschidesham upadhyaya sandeshah tam devah shrotum arhati. Yeah. So you can listen to their upadhyaya. Their upadhyaya means their guru, Kanva, his sandesha, his message. You can listen to their their teacher's message or their guru's message, what it is. So we know that they have some message from their guru, so we can see what it is, or you can see, O king, you can see. Then king, avahita hasmi, yes, I know that. Api nirvighna tapasaha munayaha. So I hope everything is fine. Munayaha, sages are all fine there, no problem in the forest. In that way he is asking. Then Rishayaha, they are replying in a shloka. What they are saying? They are saying, Tvayi rakshitari satam dharmakriya vigraha kutaha dharmamshau tapati tamaha katham avirbhavishyati. What they are saying, Tvayi rakshitari, when you are the protector of the mankind, I mean of the people, when you are the protector of the citizens, then how come some vighna, some trouble may come for dharma kriya? When you are protecting all of us, then how can we expect a bad thing might happen for all of us? It's not going to happen. And then dharma amshau tapati tamaha katham avirbhavishyati is a question. When dharma, when the religious things are happening properly, tapati means it's shining, or it's the dharma's flame. When that dharma jyoti is there, is shining, then how come we can expect tamaha? Tamaha means darkness. How come we can expect that darkness to be manifested? Which means when dharma is moving in a proper way, then there cannot be a place for tamas. Tamas cannot get manifested. That's what these sages are explaining to Raja, the king, for his question. Then king is replying, Oho, arthavan kalu me Raja Shabdaha. Then fine, you are saying that when I am ruling, no problem, which means I am not just just for namesake, I am not a king then. Really I am ruling properly. So the word Raja, the word king, that word suits me, right? Then I am ruling properly, I am taking care of everyone properly. That's what king is saying. Then Ata Bhagavan Lokanugrahaya Kushali Kashyapaha. And moreover, our Kanva Maharshi, our Kashyapa, he is fine, right? Lokanugraha, he is such a great person. So, is he alright? He is fine, right? Nothing happened, like he is completely alright, no problem. In that way, king is asking. Then sages are replying, Swadhina Kushalaha Siddhimantaha. See this sentence, very nice. Swadhina Kushalaha Siddhimantaha. What does it mean? Swadhina Kushalaha Siddhimantaha. Those that have acquired superhuman powers have their welfare under their control. They need not someone else, or they need not some foreign things to control their, control their health or something, because they are all having superhuman powers. So they know how to control themselves. That's what Swadhina Kushalaha Siddhimantaha, superhuman powers. people will be having superhuman powers, they know how to control themselves. Something else is need not required to take care of the health or something else. Then saha bhavantam anamaya prashna purvakam idamaha, and moreover our sage Kanva Kashyapa, he says what he said. Firstly, he asked about your health, how the king is, whether he is right or wrong, everything is happening properly. These kind of questions he asked, and after that question or after those questions, he says this message. Idamaha, he says this message. What is that? This message. What is the message of Kashyapa? What is the message of Kanva? We'll see. Before that, the major points from this part. Anirvarnaniyam, we should not explain a girl. Parakalatram, other girl. Vepase, trembling. Aryaputra, it's a one who follows a rules and regulations, set of rules and regulations properly. He is called Arya. His son is Aryaputra in that way. Avadharya, understanding. Avahitaha, attentive. I am having that attention in that way. Swadhina kushalaha, that's what. Adhina. Adhina means under control. Swa adhina, under my control. So these siddhimantaha, these people, one who will be having supernatural powers or superhuman powers, they will be knowing how to control the things. They have controlled the things, or all the things are controlled by them. Then anamaya prashna purvakam, they'll ask generally when you go to your relatives and all, so you are fine, how are you doing, everything is fine, right? These kind of questions, health related questions, so you are fine in that way. Naturally, generally these kind of questions, those kind of questions are called anamaya prashna. Okay, these are the major points to be understood from this part. Then what is that Kashyapa's message? We'll see that one later.